He's alright.
That's okay.
Damn, look at that. That seat just tucking. Stockies. Man.
Aerial.
Wow. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, look at all this. These are nice.
Good Tristan.
And the long sleeve is 45. Okay.
Odyssey is absolutely sick as hell. Oh wow. CTS. The red one? Yeah, it's gorgeous. This like half cut.
Matching seats.
Wow. And a matching. Let's see. Yeah, it is. I absolutely love seafoam green. Oh, you're good. Go ahead, guys. No worries.
It's part of the big car, baby.
Absolutely gorgeous. I would definitely consider seafoam green on the Lexus. Thoroughly enjoy it. Very cool wide-body GTR. Thank you. Have a good one. I feel like I've seen this. It's a nice M2. This M2 looks really nice. All these carbon bits. Looks awesome. Looks excellent on the cam. Yeah, we're gonna go down to 1.6 for this guy. Plane. We'll do a little bit of a lower angle. Wow. Holy shit, we're gonna need to go watch. Alright. Alright, yeah.
I want to go over there and we can look at the cars later.
Yeah, I think it's time. We came to fucking watch. Sweet. Yoshimoto booth.
Half mission or radiator. Both of them are broken.
Yeah, it's whack.
R34 over here, but it's fucking dumb.
Oh shit. Old ass. Chaser's nice. This is clean.
But you know, full race, the guy who owns that, he owns it.
So cool.
I gotta wait.
Like he made full race, they designed their first ever bracket.
There it is.
Seats.
The one that crazy.
Yeah, you gotta take a photo of this thing. Yeah. I really like them when they're just kind of wingless sometimes.
We're all about off-road now.
Yeah, we're changed, man. Oh, we got our Dale side. RX-7 over there. Where's Lou? Send that to Lou.
Yeah. We've never been to Stanford.
He's never been to Stanford?
In the video, he was there.
Oh, come on.
The Lexus truck. Honda.
Where's the loudest? Where's the loudest Honda at? Very cool, very cool. We'll see if I could ever get a shot. Kind of. I had your face like
I
this
tried to
big.
step back.
Yeah.
Hold on, it's got
Oh, thank you. I'm going to attempt to here. Let's see. It's all good. No, it's all good. It's just a part, it's a part of the game.
Apparently, this just ain't happening right now.
Yeah, it's car show stuff.
Yeah, not much you can do.
Nope. There's too many people. I don't care. I got it on video. It's fine.
Maybe come back later.
Yeah. Yeah. I appreciate you guys though. Yeah. At least I got a good shot of the recorder. Yeah, this is kind of cool, but I want to see some reporters on a Honda just absolutely just gut it out.
Okay, come over here.
Exactly what I was looking for. Come on. There we go, baby. Now that's... Per chance, the best rig here. Now that's a rig. Oh damn. We got a bedazzled Vert S13, I think. I think it's an S13. Nah. Yeah, Lou would like that shit.
Oh, this big one?
Yeah, look at this thing. Sparkled out.
Yeah, you see? Oh, those are really nice pieces.
Yeah.
That's rotary swapped.
Wow. Yeah.
Let's see that sun.
Oops. I wish the sun was out. God damn. Okay. No, sir, you're good. You're good. Do your thing, man. I'm just yep. We're not doing anything crazy. Oh, thank you, sir. Have a good one. Oh, you're good. Thank you.
Where you gonna park this car? Where you gonna park this car?
That's the reason. That's why I didn't. I got nowhere to park.
The sun's back out.
Oh, I already did.